how to enable the high fidelity music mode in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can enable the high fidelity audio mode in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So the high fidelity mode enhances the audio view and viewing experience, especially the listening experience of your Microsoft Teams meeting. So let me show you how you can enable this high fidelity audio mode. So in order to enable this, the first thing that you gotta do is join your Microsoft Teams meeting. And when you are inside the meeting, you will need to click onto this more actions button over here at the top. Now, once you click onto this more option, a menu will appear. And from this menu, you will need to click onto this audio settings. Once you click onto the audio settings, you will see the audio settings over the right hand side. And within the audio settings, you will see at the last within the advanced settings this option that says high fidelity music mode. So to enable the high fidelity music mode, simply enable onto this toggle, and now you can see that the high fidelity music mode has been successfully enabled. This includes the enable audio and echo cancellation as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.